welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samiljulissa, or you could just call me Samil, whichever. But today's video is kind of like a vlogish type deal, but basically the main point of this video is I'm about to get myself together. Okay, point blank period. I'm about to get myself together because y'all, I don't know if you can see, but my eyebrows looks crazy. My skin,
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
looks crazy. My toes, I'm not even gonna do that to y'all. But my toes look really crazy. So I'm about to have me a little self-care day, little pamper day, just to get myself together. Like, my skin is breaking out so bad. I don't know about y'all, but like, quarantine just been doing my skin real dirty because I've been eating so bad, drinking so much bad stuff that I shouldn't be drinking. I need to be drinking water and only water, but I'm not. So quarantine has just been doing my skin terrible, so I just need to get myself together. So that's what I'm about to do. And yeah, so to start the video off, I'm about to just do a mask because I just want to do a mask and just get my skincare out the way. I washed my face and everything this morning, obviously, but I need to do a real good mask, okay? An Aztec clay mask only. We don't put any other mask on our face these days, okay? Not no more. Because this is what happens when you do. I'm playing, but yes, I'm going to make this clay mask, and yeah. That's just part one. Hopefully it does some wonders. And then we're going to tackle these eyebrows and all that stuff. But right now we're just going to get started on this face mask. Okay, y'all, so I have the mask on and it's drying. It's drying pretty fast, actually. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes. However long, I don't even know how long I'm supposed to leave this on for, but like 30-ish minutes. And then I'm probably either gonna tackle my eyebrows or my toes. Like, oh, honey, why are you letting yourself go is the question that I ask myself, and not on a daily basis. Like, just because you're in the house doesn't mean you gotta look like this. It does not mean you have to look like this. But I don't know, I did my hair. I have a video on that, gotta be down below. But I did my hair, so it just put me in that mood to like, okay, like, sis, you really need to get it together. Like, you're tripping, okay? Get it together. So I've said get it together so many times, but okay. So I just did this Aztec clay mask. It's a pretty cool mask, to be honest. I really do like it. Hopefully it does what it needs to do. But also, like I said, like, I've been eating terrible and drinking terrible, like just eating anything that I want. Like, you have to stop doing that. So I'm about to just go on a water diet, just drink straight water, nothing extra on the side. But I think I'm gonna do that after I make this coffee, because I made a coffee this morning before I realized that I wanted to do this water diet, and I don't want to waste it. Like, not gonna just waste stuff. So I might make a coffee. I might not, I don't know. It's already like made. I just gotta, you know, put my stuff in it. I made it this morning, but I like iced coffee, so it's just been sitting in the refrigerator and I don't want to waste it. So I don't know. Anyway, me just, you know, Sagittarius things, like, that's all it is, Sagittarius things. Right now I'm about to just chill and watch Netflix until I move on to the next task. This is also self-care, okay? Putting on a good show and chilling. Self-care. Don't care what nobody says, okay? Self-care. So I'm about to watch Netflix. I've been watching this show called Sweet Magnolias. Oh my gosh, such a good show. I don't know why, like, I just randomly put it on and I really didn't think it was going to be this good, but this show is good. Okay, this show is good and I'm shook. So that's what I'm about to watch soon as my computer loads. But that's what I'm about to watch, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all after. The redness of my face is concerning. I mean, it's so red. Ew. This mask always says that though. I think because it's just sucking, hopefully sucking all the ugly out. Hopefully sucking all of the bad bumps and all the redness and all that bad stuff in my skin. Hopefully it's sucking it out. Okay, that's what I needed to do. That's what I need to happen. So my face looks like a freaking tomato. I look like a tomato. But yeah, and I put some cream around my nose, some like really heavy duty ointment, because my skin was peeling. I have really dry skin, so my nose peels if it doesn't get the treatment it deserves. And like I've been saying this entire video, I haven't been giving my skin the treatment it deserves. So my skin was just really peeling really bad. So I have 2 moisturizers on my face. I put some CeraVe, and then I put shea butter, of course, and then I put the ointment on my nose. And I'm debating on whether I should, what was that? I'm debating on whether I should put some treatment on this, but I don't want to overdo it. Like, I don't want to like overwork it, so we'll see. I'm not gonna lie, I told you I was gonna make it. This is a form of self-care. Okay, and that's just all I gotta say on that. Okay guys, so it's actually the next day, and as you can see, I cleaned up my eyebrows. Okay, so I cleaned up my eyebrows a little bit. I'm just going to show you what I use to clean up my eyebrows. I really don't use much, and I really just clean them up. I don't really try to arch them or anything. I just clean up whatever shape I already had. But I use a spoolie to, you know, comb them out, and then I use a razor. I either use the long or the short one, just depending on how bad my eyebrows have grown out is which ones I use. Sometimes I use both. This time I really just use this one, because this one gives like a more precise cut. You know where you're cutting. This is basically when your eyebrows really grow out and you need to make sure you get all the, you know what I'm saying. And then sometimes I use this little brush or a comb, mainly the comb side, and like just comb them out a little bit. Like, that's really good if you want to trim your eyebrows and stuff. But I didn't trim my eyebrows this time. I definitely need to. But yeah, so update on my skin. My skin is looking much better. It's looking much better. Really glowy today. But the only thing is this bump. It's still there and it's so red. It's so red. But other than that though, like, I feel like my skin is looking much better, so I can't complain too much. But yes, so eyebrows check, skin check. So yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm feeling definitely a lot more put together now that, you know, I'm getting myself together, you know. So that's good. But basically, lastly, all I really have to do is my toes. So yeah, I don't really know if I'm gonna show this in the video, but I'm gonna show you guys what I use once I do it. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all though once I do that, because actually right now I'm not about to do that. So yeah, but I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I do. Okay y'all, so I said I was gonna do my toes, but y'all, I've been so lazy. I've been so lazy, so I just do not feel like doing my toes. Like, I don't know, doing your toes really takes a lot of energy, and that's why going to the nail salon is honestly just so perfect, because it's such like, getting your toes done is such a pampering experience. Like, just letting somebody else do it and then they're just done. You know what I mean? So I just haven't been able to do it. But instead of doing my toes, I'm actually going to do a lip scrub, because also like my face, as you can see, it's like super moisturized right now. I put moisturizer all over my face. I'm going to do a lip scrub because my lips have also been dry, and could just been change of the weather and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing a DIY lip scrub. Okay, y'all, so I just exfoliated my lips. Honey, just don't pay attention to this. But honey, my lips never felt so smooth before in my life. Like, this is actually crazy. Like, I just put some Vaseline on them as usual, and oh my gosh, I don't feel I don't feel any crack or nothing on my lips. So y'all, please make you a DIY lip scrub. All you need is sugar and some oil. I really just did something, even though this is common knowledge, everybody knows how to make a scrub, but that's actually really crazy. And wow. Okay, so I feel like I got myself together the best that I could. I don't know, y'all, like, I had to get myself together this video because y'all can't let quarantine get y'all down. Y'all can't let quarantine dictate your life. Okay, like, don't be looking crusty just because you're in the house. Like, no, we look cute for ourselves, so we need to sit here and keep it up, like, no matter what. Okay, because me, I'm gonna chill in the house. I'm gonna wear pajamas, and I'm not gonna do my eyebrows and stuff like that. I'm like, for days. So, but I just realized that I was letting myself go, honestly. So I'm happy. I did my hair, I did my eyebrows, I exfoliated my lips, I did skincare. What else did I do? I took a bath. Like, I made myself like a little spa night and stuff. I didn't really show all that extra stuff, but I had like a spa night or whatever. And yeah, I'm probably gonna paint my toes maybe tomorrow or something, but I just want to hurry up and close out this video because I'm also a procrastinator. So who knows what time tomorrow I'm even gonna paint my toes, or if I'm even gonna do it tomorrow. But yes, I'm gonna end this video here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.